universe. Did you ever think if there was a big bang, boom, huh? And here again, in Hiroshima, you know what a big bang does? Did you see it? Did you go to the place? Anybody went there and see this? Did you visit the Peace Memorial? Something went boom, big bang, didn't it? And what was there? Huh? I want to emphasize that for a reason. Because when we look to the universe, it's expanding. Yes. But expanding what? Is it garbage blowing up in trash? Or are these perfectly formed spheres moving in orbits, going around and around? And planets are going around these big suns, and moons are going around these planets. Everything's in orbit, swimming and moving, swimming and moving. And Allah, 1400 years ago, said in the Quran that all of it is swimming, swimming. He even said the earth is turning, winding, kawa, going around. And the sun is in an orbit. And even some people didn't know the sun was in an orbit just a few decades ago. In the Quran, Allah said the Quran is in an orbit. Some people thought it meant that the sun was going around the earth. No. The earth is going around the sun, but the earth is turning while it goes around the sun, and the sun is going around. All of these things moving in this big, beautiful package. You think this is by accident? Do you really? Please think again before it's too late. And then while you're thinking, put your telescope aside and take your microscope and look under the... Oh, look, what do you see under the microscope? Oh, the same thing. Again, spheres, orbs, going around in their orbits, being circled by others. And the theory of atoms, what does it say? You have protons, neutrons, electrons, all doing the same thing. A center, a nucleus, and going around in orbits. How is it that the smallest thing in the universe and the biggest thing in the universe are exactly the same thing? And how did we become right in exactly the middle? We cannot see that unless we have optical assistance from a telescope or a microscope. Who did this? And who gave us the ability to find out about it? Who has done this? And if you don't understand, please visit our website, ScienceIslam.com. ScienceIslam.com. Find out before it's too late. Because if there's a God, one real God, not a God with an elephant's head, not a God with 6 blue arms, not a bunch of gods floating in clouds and trees and going around and fighting with each other, a real creator of everything. Think about that. Because if that's true, and if the Quran is right, there's only one real salvation. If you really want the good of this life and the good of the next life, it's required to say it like this. Rabbana atina fi dunya hasanatan. Our Lord, give us good here in this life. Wa akhirati hasanatan. And give us good in the next life. Wa qina adhaban nar. And save us from the punishment of the hellfire. Amen.